Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today we are in Marine Mill on St Croix Marine on St Croix to explore Marine Mill. Marine Mill was one of the first sawmills in Minnesota in 1839. It is super flooded here today. You guys can see how flooded the St Croix River is. Jesus made the boardwalk. It's like stuck. On my second channel, I posted a vlog of our day. Plus, in that video, I share other clips of Marine Mill to show how the park looks when it isn't flooded. The mill was put on the National Register of Historic Places in 1970. The location where the mill was built is known as the birthplace of the region's work industry. The mill is 16 minutes from Stillwater, which is the birthplace of Minnesota. Lewis Judd and David Hone went on an expedition to find the perfect spot to build a mill, and they found this to be the perfect spot to build the mill with a flowing stream to power the mill and a bank for steamboats. After the men found the perfect spot, they went back home to Moraine, Illinois, and talked to the 6 other lumber business partners about the location they found. All 8 business partners plus one member's wife and 2 kids moved to Minnesota May of 1839, and within 90 days the mill was complete and the first lumber began cut August 24th. Though the mill was built and running, the land was not legally open for settlement. The original mill cut less than 5,000 feet of lumber per day. A larger mill was built in 1852 and was powered by a 40-foot water wheel. The building didn't stand for very long. In 1863, the mill burned down. The workers were out of work for 3 years until a new mill was built in 1866. The mill's best profitable years were in the early 1870s, yet that'll change in 1873 when the Great Depression hit. And the decrease of demand for wood caused log jams on the river. The mill was bankrupt in 1885. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this location. If you've been here, how's your experience? Would you recommend this location to others? And if you haven't been here, would you like to explore this park? Also, please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. After the mill closed down the first time, there were attempts to reopen it, but every attempt failed. The business was dismantled in 1895. In the time of production, the mill cut 197 million feet of lumber. The mill was abandoned for 70 years until 1964 when the land was recommended to become a historic site. For another 6 years, nothing was done until 1970, the Minnesota legislature approved funds to buy the land. A committee cleared decades of revegetation, discovering foundations for multiple structures. At the peak of the mill, it acquired 6 acres of land. The other structures that accompanied the sawmill were a planing mill, storage shed, and steamboat levee. In 1873, all that remained of the mill were walls and the water wheel. Today, there is an overlook where you can see the ruins of the mill, and on the path to the falls are foundations of 2 other mills. I'll show these ruins in another video when it's not flooded. If you'd like to know more about our experience from this location and learn what there is to do around the area, plus see how far this location is from the Twin Cities, or check out my socials and see more photos from this location, check out the description. Plus, the links where I got all my information will be there too. So this is the end of today's video. Thanks guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see Kaylee's point of view and her pictures and check out her video, link will be in the description. And with that, we'll see you guys next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central. Bye!